Hello students, welcome to our today practical lab session. In our today's session, dear students, first of all we have learned regarding our today program, that is we have to find the average of two numbers. So dear students, how we are finding the average of two number? First of all we have to write a program in C programming. So what is our program? Now I can explain you one by one. First of all, dear students, as we learned in our previous session, we have to define our header file. So here I am defining two header files, hash include stdio.h and then hash include conio.h. After this we have to give our main function. So here our main function is void main, from where the execution of our program is started. Then dear students, we are calculating the average of two number. So first of all we have to declare two variable. Our first variable is number 1 and our second variable is number 2. Then to calculate the average we have to declare another variable. So here I am declaring another variable, that is avj. After that I am writing a function, that is clear screen, which is used to clear the screen. Then dear students, first of all, to calculate the average, we have to enter our first number. I am printing the message printf, enter first number, and with the help of scanf function, we have getting the input from keyboard. Then for second number, we have printing the message printf, enter the second number, and with the help of scanf function, we have get the value for second number with the help of keyboard. Then dear students, to calculate the average we have write a specific formula, that is we have write the data type, that is float. Then if we want to calculate the average, first of all we have to add two number, then divide this number by 2 semicolon. After this we have print the output with the help of printf function. So dear students, in this printf function I have write percentage point 2 f. Why I am writing percentage point 2 f? Because dear student, it is used to display our output up to 2 decimal places. So if we want to display our decimal value, then we are taking the help of our float data type. Okay, and only if we want to display our numerical value without the point, then we are taking the help of integer data type. So here I am using float data type and I want to display the output up to 2 decimal places. That's why I am using percentage dot to f. Now dear students, we can learn this program through our practical session in Turbo C. So now we are start our practical session. In our practical session, dear students, first of all we have typing our program. So here I am writing our header file. So after typing my header file stdio.h, then conio.h, hash include conio.h. Now I am writing my main function, that is void main. Here void is a data type which return nothing, and main is our execution function. Then beginning curly braces. After that I am declaring our variable int is our data type and our variable are number 1 comma number 2. Then I am declaring my another data type, that is float, which is for variable average semicolon. After this I am printing message clear screen, which is used to clear the previous screen output. Then I am printing the message to enter value for number 1, printf bracket start inverted commas, enter first number. Okay, inverted commas close, bracket close and semicolon. Then I am writing my scanf function for getting the first number. Now here you can see I am writing scanf function for number 1, num1. Then dear students, I am printing message for second number, enter second number with the help of printf. enter second number. Now I am writing my scanf function for getting the value of number 2. Scanf inverted comma decimal specifier inverted comma close comma and number 2 bracket close semicolon. Now dear students, I am writing our average formula. So AVJ is equal to, I am specifying my data type, that is float, then bracket start number 1 plus number 2 bracket close number 1 plus number 2 bracket close divided by 2, then semicolon. Now dear students, I am using my printf function to print the value of average, that is ABJ. So here you can see I am writing average of, it is for first number and second one for second number, is colon. Now here dear students, I am writing AVG up to 2 decimal places. AVG bracket close semicolon and get ch function curly braces close. After typing this program, dear students, I am compiling. In the compilation, I can check if there is any program. So first of all, I am saving my program with average.c because C is the extension of C programming. Okay. Then I am compiling my program to check whether there is any error. Here there is no error. Now I am executing my program by clicking on run. So dear students, now it will ask you enter first number. I am entering my first number. That is, my first number is 5. Enter second number, and my second number is again 5. So it will show me the average, that is 5.00 because we can consider this for we consider this for 2 decimal point. So dear students, this is our today practical where we can learn how we can calculate the average of 2 number. Okay, so thank you for joining our today practical lab session.